3 will present about the number of siblings of 30 students. The case that we have choose was number of siblings of 30 students. We already interviewed 30 semester 1 students of December 2019 session and record their data. Our purpose to observe the frequency of the total data of siblings are to study the total amount of mean, variance, and standard deviation.
Okay, right now I will present about procedure. We have interviewed 30 students who received the number of their siblings. After that, we record and transfer the information into a table to make it more organized. We also list down all the students' names to identify the total. Other than that, we arrange the information in ungrouped data and calculate if to determine the variance and standard deviation.
Method that we used are: firstly, the AQ1B students were divided into 5 groups to solve the given case. Secondly, the number of siblings was taken for 30 students only. Thirdly, the taken data were arranged into 5 classes. Next, the mean, variance, and standard deviation were determined. And lastly, frequency distribution table, histogram, and polygon were built to represent the data. Next, I will show you the result. This is frequency table we get from the whole data. It shows the total amount of data that has been divided into 5 classes. Next, Bibi will clarify mean.
Right now, I will explain about mean. This is the calculation of mean. We calculate the mean using this formula. That is the sum of the frequency increments multiplied by the midpoint and then divided by the total numbers of frequencies. The mean we get is the average of the whole data. Next, Pretty will explain what is variance table.
Okay, this is our variation table. Variation means that extent to which a single set of data is distributed, and we got a total variance of 4 people. Next, Bibi will continue this presentation.
Last but not least, this is the standard deviation calculation. Standard deviation represents a typical deviation from the mean. So we got a total standard deviation of 2 people.
Based on our data, we conclude that the highest frequency is 12 and the lowest is 1. We learned that this group data is linked to frequency. Based on our calculation, the highest and the lowest percentage in this case is 144% and 12% respectively. This is the formula to get the percentage of pie chart. Frequency divided by total sum of frequency times by 360. The calculation is 12 divided by 30 times 360.